Hello guys, so today we are going to be sharing with you guys on how to make massive profit in the market. If you want to grow your account into massive equity, you are still learning how to grow your account as a beginner in forex trading. Please watch this video to the end. I'm sure you're going to learn a lot of things in this particular video. But if you are actually a professional or you've actually grown your account into massive profit and you're making a lot of profit in the market, or shortly you're a profitable trader, skip this video and leave it for a forex trader that is actually want to make massive profit and that is actually looking for an answer in the market. Now, I'm a professional trader. I'm here to share with you guys what some of all these forex traders are, professional forex traders don't tell you guys. Now, a few things I'm going to be sharing with you guys is going to be very important, and I would like to make it brief and very, very simple. Okay, but before I do, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel for you to get more updates like this steady in the forex trading. Or you can like, comment what you actually think about this forex trading. Or for those of you guys that is actually need some question that required an answer. Alright. So before I proceed, I would like to recommend you guys, for those of you guys that is looking for a way to grow your account, struggling with your small, big equity account in order to make massive profit in the market, or still struggling, you can actually chat me up, text me on my Telegram channel where I can actually help you in account management. I will grow your account into massive profit. I'll make so much profit with you. I'm going to make so much income in your own direct profitable area. So chat me up for an account management. And if you don't know what an account management is, you can ask where. Come to my DM. I will tell you briefly, explain everything you need to know about an account management. So don't forget to like, subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more videos like this, and share this content to as many as you can. All right. So I was telling you to actually come to my account, to my direct message on Telegram, to actually learn or to grow your account with me with account management. Now, if you don't know what account management is, chat me up. I will kindly explain more details in account management. All right. Yeah. So briefly, I'm going to be teaching you guys many things about forex trading. I'll be dropping my links on my comment section and also in my description. So you can actually click on the comment section. You see my link. Click on it. It will direct you to my Telegram channel where you can actually message me for account management so that I can actually grow your small equity account, big equity account into massive profit in the market. So don't forget, like, subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this video to as many as you can. All right. So let me give you guys a little simple ways on how to make massive profit. First of all, you need your stop loss and take profit. As a beginner in forex trading, a lot of market movement that requires to be, look into stop loss and take a lot of profits in the market. We cannot be able to do that. Or for instance, you're seeing a selling market and you place your selling, and eventually the market starts selling. If you don't place your stop loss and take profit, then maybe your market is growing to massive profit. At a point it reverses because market can't really go a particular direction for so long. All right, it's real to see that kind of a trade in the market. All right. So imagine you are placing your market sell and the market is going sell into massive profit. All your mind is that you want to make so much money in this market that this market is going to sell to the point that you said, okay, this market is going to sell to this point. At a point, you find that the market started reversing. All your mindset is that, okay, this market is going to reverse and will still give me massive profit in return. All right. Before you know it, your market will blow you off the chart. your small equity, big equity, it's gone. All right. So when all this equity is gone, you'll find out that the mistake that you made is from you, not from the market, because you refuse to take profit when it's time. Now, the stop loss and take profit will be able to analyze and give you the energy, the control, and the 100% reality to actually take profit when it's time to take profit. All right. And stop loss, same goes to stop loss. The market can be able to give you a little bit stop loss or take loss in the place that you want. So maybe let me say you are risking $100. You place your stop loss in your $100 loss. Then imagine you place your sell and the market is selling at a point it reverses. Then you are not aware, and boom, you came back, you see the market buy a very long trade buy, but eventually your market close at $100 loss, stop loss. You see, it helps a lot as a beginner. Now let me tell you guys why I actually put this particular two market in the chart, because I trade gold versus USD, and I also trade in indexes, volatility 75 indices. So if you are actually in for account management, I could actually teach you on how to trade this both market, and you make a lot of profit in it. The only thing you just need to do is to text me. I'll be dropping my links on my comment section or on my description. All right. And also, very important, I'll be giving you guys a free Telegram channel where I'll be sharing free signals, and I'll be teaching you a lot of things you need to know about forex trading. For those of you guys that is not actually ready for an account management, you can actually join my Telegram channel where you'll be receiving free Telegram channel. Maybe you found a little account with my Telegram signal, you can be able to actually grow your account into massive profit without even letting anybody trade for you or letting anybody hold or benefit from your account. All right. So this is actually some parts you need to go in this market in order to become a profitable trader. All right. So you need to actually participate in so many things. But when you come to my DM, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about forex trading. All right. So this market is actually going bullish right now. Let's go over to 30 minutes time frame. You see how the market is actually trying to reverse, but at a point you know that this market is actually reversing, but it's scaring people that is actually selling this market to actually close up this market and buy. But at a point you see that this market have not really gotten up to this particular point that it's supposed to go, because uh there is no break pack there, there is no rejection over here. As you can see, these candlesticks just come down, start making another move here. There's no good rejection or shows that is actually going to reject here. So we still have 100% sure that the market is actually still going to go down. So I'm going to be showing you guys, sharing everything you need to know about this trading in my other video, or you can actually visit my free Telegram channel. I'll be screenshotting and posting it there for the signals I've given out. So stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share this video to as many as you can. Come into my DM for an account management, and don't forget to share with all your friends about this particular page. It's going to help you as a beginner, and don't forget to trade what you can lose. Don't forget to fund what exactly if you lose is not going to pain you. All right, have a nice day. See you guys in my next upload video.